Good morning, students. In module 2, I will solve exercise 12.1, 10th class. 10. Question number 1 is, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Suppose R1 equal to 19 centimeter, R2 equal to 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circle. उस सर्कल की आप उसका रेडियस बताना है जिनका सर्कमफ्रेंस इन दो सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस के बराबर है. मतलब C1 प्लस C2 circumference of this circle plus circumference of this circle equal to the circumference of that circle. Clear? So circumference of circle 2 pi r. Suppose radius of that given circle be r and 2 pi r1, circumference of the second circle 2 pi r2. Clear? And 2 pi is common, r1 plus r2, 2 pi cancelled by 2 pi, and r is equal to r1 plus r2, r1 is 19 and r2 is 9. So radius of that circle whose circumference is equal to the circumference of these two circles. R is equal to, capital R is equal to 28 centimeter. Same question number 2 beta. The radii of two circle 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circle. यहाँ पे circumference की बात कर रहा है, यहाँ पे ये एरिया की बात कर रहा है बेटा. रेडियस ऑफ फर्स्ट सर्कल 8 सेंटीमीटर, सेकंड सर्कल 6 सेंटीमीटर, एंड सपोज द रेडियस ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड सर्कल be r. So a is equal to a1 plus a2. Sum of areas of these two circles equal to the area of that circle. Clear? Area of circle pi r square, pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Pi is common, r1 square plus r2 square, and pi cancelled by pi. So r square is equal to r1 8 square, r2 6 square, and 8 square 64, 6 square 36, and r capital R square is equal to 100. R is equal to root 100. Root 100 means 10 centimeter. Clear? So these two questions are very easy. C is equal to C1 plus C2. A is equal to A1 plus A2. Now question number 4 beta. Question number 3 you do yourself. Question number 4 is a wheel of a car. The wheel of a car of diameter 80. The diameter of the wheel of a car is 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So students, diameter of the wheel, you know very well, 80 centimeter, and speed of car, it is given that 66 km per hour, and your diameter it is in centimeter. So convert this kilometer into centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 66 multiplied by 1000 into 100 centimeter per hour. So distance covered in one revolution. How much distance covered in one revolution? See. This one, circumference of the circle. Clear? 2 pi r, or you can say pi d. Clear? Circumference of circle pi d. And pi is 22 upon 7 and diameter is 80 centimeter. Clear? The distance covered in one revolution. And now we have to find that how much distance covered by the wheel in 10 minutes. So speed of car 66 km per hour. So distance covered by the car in 1 hour. 66 in this one. Clear? 66 0 0 0 0 0. Clear? Centimeter. and distance covered by the car in 1 minute beta, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, so divide by 60. Clear? And then distance covered by the car in 10 minutes, multiply by 10, and after simplification you will get 10 11 lakh beta centimeter. Then number of revolution is distance covered by the car in 10 minutes, or divided by distance covered in one revolution, or you can say that circumference of wheel. Clear? And this 11 lakh divided by 22 upon 7 into 80, and here 7 into this multiply, and 22 by 80 here, and after simplifying you will get 4375 revolution. Number of revolution 4375 by the car. Now next question is question number 5. Stick the correct answer of the following, justify your choice. Perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal, then radius of the circle is, perimeter of circle you know very well, perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. किसके इक्वल है बेटा? इज इक्वल टू द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल पाई आर स्क्वायर. So pi cancel by pi, this r cancel by r, so small r equal to 2 units. 2 units is the correct answer. A is the 2 units. A is correct. Thank you, students.